Hey, what's up, Digibyte holder? This is live price prediction of Digibyte minus 27.83%. The price were fails down, the price were decreasing. So therefore, my friends, our leader is going to be in the garbage now. And definitely, my friend, a lot of experts told me to we will need, my friends, to also, my friends, take a risk. But definitely I cannot take a risk in Digibyte, my friends, to invest more in those days, because as you can see here, there is no chance, my friends, there is no chance in this week, my friends, to they will moving upward. After, my friend, 20th September, I am going to invest now, and definitely I'm 100% sure to the last 10 days of every month, every coin will get a very good profit now. So therefore, I'm really interested now, just in only, my friends, for September 20 now. I hope, my friends, I will get a very good profit and I will be safe for now, my friends. So therefore I will notify you to please don't do anything, my friend, who is not safe, my friends. Digibyte is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, everybody know this, but in those days the condition is very critical now, and I think, my friends, they cannot moving upward when a holders, my friend, are starting selling. But if a holder are starting selling, so they cannot moving upward, but you will need, my friends, to don't starting selling and be safe from the loss, my friend. In those days, absolutely every coin will completely on the trending, but don't worry, my friend, if a price will increase now, so therefore they will make you millionaire now. And thanks you so much, my friends, to a holder, those holders who are subscribed our YouTube channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly, if you also want to get a profit now, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.